Did you know that the African ostrich is the largest bird in the world? Standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing as much as 300 pounds, these incredible birds can run at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. They have powerful legs that can deliver a kick strong enough to fend off predators. Unlike other birds, ostriches can't fly, but they make up for it with their remarkable adaptability. Their long necks help them spot danger from afar, and their unique feathers keep them cool in the heat. Next time you think of birds, remember just how fascinating the ostrich truly is.